Ganoderma, Lingzhi/Rishi for positive cancer treatment Part 3. Hepatitis cured with Reishi. One patient who had hepatitis for a few years and his SCET and SGPT count was 200 to 300. Normal range is under 30. I administered 3 grams of Reishi daily and in about 2-3 months his SCET and SGPT dropped to around 50. Even this is still higher than normal. Continuous use will bring it in range. During this time, I asked him to stop using Reishi and immediately the count shot up to between 150 to 200. The count dropped when treatment resumed, thus proving the effect of Reishi on hepatitis. A combination with the use of vitamin C is essential. Under these conditions, 6 grams of vitamin C is needed, i.e. 3 grams of Reishi essence with 6 grams of vitamin C. We must understand that hepatitis is a chronic disease and relapse is ever present. It is necessary to continue the intake of Reishi, using smaller dosage, even after one's recovery from hepatitis. Prevention is always the best measure. Reishi is just as effective against other chronic diseases and optimum results are obtained when combined with the intake of vitamin C. Especially true for long-term prevention use. In conclusion, Reishi has been proven to exert significant effect on diminishing pain, fortifying the body's immune system and prolonging life. Even though its role in cancer control has not been determined 100% yet, medications presently employed to combat cancer have their effect, but unfortunately these also produce serious side effects. Reishi have a history of 3,000 years, during which time it is widely used by many people with no reported unfavorable side effects. I therefore recommend Reishi for treatment and prevention as a safety measure. I hope that people from all walks of life will take a concerned interest and share in this project. Hopefully, in the very near future, Reishi can bring a brighter outlook to the human race in the conquest of longevity. Ganoderma, could it help in the treatment of cancer? By definition, Ganoderma is a mushroom from the green and vibrant Mycetes plant kingdom where short and tiny fungi that are unable to manufacture their own food like green plants through photosynthesis thrive. Within the plant kingdom, Ganoderma Lucidum belongs to a superior grade. Of all the many edible fungi in the kingdom, the Ganoderma mushroom stands out in its significant medicinal values. Although Ganoderma may seem trivial to most people, for it leads a parasitic life by breaking down and surviving on nutrients of other plants and animals, there is more to this mushroom than meets the eye. Known as the superior herb, Ganoderma lucidum is a rare variety of mushroom credited with the highest medicinal qualities in the ancient China and is also a subject of many researches by various universities and organizations in the modern times. Also known as Linghzi in China, which is considered as an auspicious medicine because of its medical efficacy, and Reishi in Japan, which is called the god's herbs. Ganoderma's worldwide popularity as a powerful medicinal herb continues to increase and is now mass-produced to help combat one of the dreaded diseases of today, cancer. Ganoderma works best in the treatment of cancer because it helps cleanse the entire body from toxins while it strengthens immunity. It also contributes to the improvement of liver function while it stimulates the regeneration of liver cells, providing a very important supplement for those people who have liver cancer. Aside enhancing liver detoxification, the anti-cancer agents in Ganoderma, which include germanium and polysaccharides. The polysaccharide fraction of Ganoderma is responsible for its anti-tumor efficacy. The indications for Ganoderma use in cancer include supplementation to reduce side effects during radiotherapy or chemotherapy, to prolong survival, to improve quality of life, and to prevent occurrence or recurrence. While Ganoderma is used as a supplement during chemotherapy or radiotherapy to reduce side effects such as loss of appetite, fatigue, hair loss, and risk of infection, it can also reduce the toxic and lessen the pains during the sessions, particularly to cancer patients at terminal stages. Aside from helping the immune and endocrine system to prevent tumors, help improve the circulation and eliminate harmful free radicals, other qualities of Ganoderma that help in the treatment of cancer include the inhibition of DNA synthesis of the cancer cells, destroying the terminal enzyme activity of the tumor cells, and restrain the spread of cancer cells. Still, while Ganoderma has been recognized traditionally and scientifically as potentially useful in the treatment of cancer, there is still a notable discrepancy whether it can totally cure the big C because of the lack of clinical trials demonstrating its efficacy. Despite these controversies, studies still suggest that though Ganoderma and its derivatives are not pharmaceuticals and have not undergone rigorous clinical trials to be tested against the disease, there are indirect clinical evidences to support its supplemental use in cancer. Aside from being the biggest potential in curing cancer, the need to take Ganoderma is still indispensable for many illnesses are caused by the imbalance of body functions due to the accumulated toxins in the body. Apart from removing the buildup of toxins, Ganoderma also protects and detoxifies the liver, prevents and cures heart diseases while it slows the aging process. It also has positive effect on insomnia, being a cure for high blood pressure and as effective treat diabetes. While it serves as a treatment for chronic bronchitis and asthma, Ganoderma also has effect on hypersusceptibility and is used as a beauty care medicine for the skin. Lingzhi. Lingzhi is the name for one form of the mushroom Ganoderma lucidum, and its close relative Ganoderma tsage, which grows in the northern eastern hemlock forests. Ganoderma lucidum enjoys special veneration in Asia, where it has been used in traditional Chinese medicine as a herbal medicine for more than 4,000 years, making it one of the oldest mushrooms known to have been used in medicine. Lingzhi may possess some anti-tumor, immunomodulatory and immunotherapeutic activities, supported by some studies on polysaccharides, terpenes, and other bioactive compounds isolated from fruiting bodies and mycelia of this fungus, reviewed by R. Patterson. However, the efficacy of these compounds in the treatment of cancer has not yet been shown in clinical trials. Moreover, As with any herb, variation between preparations and potential negative side effects cannot be ruled out. It is understood as adaptogenic, anti-allergenic and antihypertensive due to the presence of triterpenes. Apart from these properties, Lingzhi has been found to be anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antiparasitic, antifungal, anti-diabetic, antihypotensive, and protective of the liver. It has also been found to inhibit platelet aggregation, and to lower blood pressure, cholesterol and blood sugar. Because of these properties, Lingzhi has been regarded as blood pressure stabilizer, antioxidant, analgesic, a kidney and nerve tonic. It has been used in bronchitis prevention and in cardiovascular treatment, and in the treatment of high triglycerides, high blood pressure, hepatitis, allergies, chemotherapy support, HIV support, and even for fatigue and altitude sickness. Some peer-reviewed studies indicate that ganoderic acid has some protective effects against liver injury by viruses and other toxic agents in mice, suggesting a potential benefit of this compound in the treatment of liver diseases in humans. Although the experiences in fighting cancer are more inconsistent, the extract has been claimed to be effective in regressing tumors. The results depend on the type of cancer and the severity of the condition. It is usually recommended that it be used in combination with other prescribed medical treatments and as part of a fujung formula with a variety of supporting herbs. The Ganoderma extract has been employed to help substantially reduce or eliminate the side effects of radio and chemotherapies if it is taken before, during and after the treatments. It has been found clinically to reduce side effects like hair loss, nausea, vomiting, stomatitis, sore throat, loss of appetite and insomnia. Subscribe our channel for future videos, visit our website holisticmeaning.com for more informative articles.